I am Philip the Tech Dad, and today I'm going to be bringing you this right here. This is from BONAOK. It's a karaoke microphone, Bluetooth karaoke microphone. I recently got an email from BONAOK asking me if I could review their product, and I am glad to. If anybody wants to send any products to me, hey, I'm your guy. So I'm going to get this unboxed so we can see what's in it. Let's go. So they actually sent me an email saying, hey, Tech Dad, we think you're an excellent YouTuber, and we want you to review our product for us. So of course I'm going to say yes. So let's get this open. Ooh, it comes in this nice little case here. Look at this. This is awesome. Alright, what else is in here? Ooh, it's got a little carrying case. Carrying satch. Alright. Anything else? Nothing else. Alright. Let's get this thing open here. It's a hardcover case. Oh, and it's also got a little thing back here to, you can hook it on your belt or your backpack. So let's open this up. Alright. What do we have here? Best wishes. Ooh, give me a little 20% off thing for our next purchase. Thank you for purchasing. But alright, what we got here? A little instruction booklet here. I don't know what this is. Might be the microphone cover. It's kind of weird, huh? Got a little red nose. Alright. Let's get to the gem here. Now I went for the gold color one because, you know, you got the golden mic here. Hey, yeah. Oh man, look at this thing. This is awesome. Look how this thing looks. The golden microphone. This is awesome. Let's see here. What else is in here? We have a, looks like a auxiliary cord here. And we got two different cables here. One looks like a USB cable. Yeah, we got a USB cable and a USB auxiliary cable, it looks like. So we got that plus an aux cord here. And then a small USB, I guess USB 3. What else we got in here? Nothing else. But if you feel in here, it's like, man, like, feels like fur. Alright, I'm gonna close that up. Put that to the side. But this is really cool. How that, it's a hard case. Alright, this is the microphone, everybody. Hey! Okay, we got a big power button. Does this thing come off? I'm not sure. Yeah, that comes off. Okay. Guess that's just to protect it from turning on while it was in the case there. Got some, looks like, there we go. So looks like we got here mic, reverb, music, looks like a little music sign button here, and the power button. So I'm gonna turn it on here. Oh, did you hear that? Hello. Hello. So with this right here, from what I know, you're able to hook it up to your phone, play music through it. The music comes through here, and now she's actually able to sing with it. And hello, that's cool. All right, but down here at the bottom here, it looks like you got a play button, fast forward button, or next button, and you got a reverse button or previous button. Now the buttons, there's a little blinking blue light here. Guess that's just to tell you it's on. Man, this is really awesome. Hey. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. So, from what I can see here is that you're able to, let me see here. You can put this on here. I guess this is just to keep the spit off of it. But it's kind of silly, kind of looking with the golden microphone. I guess it would have been better if you had like the white top. So you can actually make the echo go up a little bit more and bring it down some. So as you can hear that, man, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna take this off because I don't really want this on here. It looks kind of silly. Oh, I didn't notice at the bottom here. If you look down here at the bottom, we've got USB. This is where to connect. You connect everything. You're able to put headphones in. So you use this right here. Looks like a 3.5 millimeter jack. Yeah, you put that in there, and then I guess you're able to. So everything pretty much just connects down here. This is cool. Alright. So I'm going to connect this to my phone so you can so we can see what's going on here. Okay. (1776) New York City. Heed not the rebels that scream revolution. They have not your. Yo, this thing is awesome. Let's see here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This thing's cool. This thing's really cool. I'm using my Amazon Music app, Unlimited Music, and they've got a lot of songs on here where you can just get the instrumental and just say, hey, sing whatever song you want. Got your head held low, the sky's a shade of gray, like a zombie in a maze. Okay, so this is a cool mic. I wish it was a little louder around the sides. When you get it out, I'm in a small room. My office is small, so you probably can hear it a little bit better than you can in an open area. Someday, yeah, you'll blow us all away. Someday. Yeah. Thank you, BONAOK, for sending this out to me. And again, if you want to send any more products out to me, I am definitely down to review them and unbox them and try them out. And if anybody else wants to send any products to me, I am definitely willing to try those out for you too. Again, I am Philip True Tech Dad. I do hope you like my unboxing and my review of the BONAOK Karaoke Microphone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.